Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of you people here are regular fans, and you probably read the terrible news about one of our lads, Isak Rain. Most of you have seen him over the summer. Fantastic, up-and-coming wrestler, who tragically died on Tuesday at the age of 22. We were considering calling tonight's show off in respect to Isak, but being a professional he was, I know he wants to go ahead and give you people the best talent show possible in Isak's memory. But before we do it, ladies and gentlemen, as tradition in wrestling, we're going to have a minute silence for Isak, followed by a minute's applause. And I want all the people who lost it tonight to put aside all the warring, all the arguments, everything else we get in wrestling, just to come out here tonight and give Isak one hell of a tribute for one hell of a man. So I'm going to all the roster out, please, to the back of the hall, and the girls, all of them, everyone wants to go. Ladies and gentlemen, the Norwegian flag and the British flag to show the unity for Isak. I'll tell you now, this is their film to set Norway, they've got a big show next week. So when we come to the round of applause minute, I really wanted to give it up for Isak Rain. I'll tell you, he died at 22 years old. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so if we have a minute on the time, please. And before we finish this third film, and all that, I just want to say to our great friend over there, I know it's not popular over there, to Eric Isaacson, to Isaac St. Part Peter, to Nina, to Gabrielle, to our great friends in Norway. This is what the British fans, Paul Isak Rain, and we're really going to miss you. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and that's for the sad beginning, when I saw else. Isak Rain is one of the best pros I've ever, a 22-year-old man, and I'm sure he wants you to have a damn good night from now on. Okay? So let's get that voice praise, let's take it on, look forward.